road again. Good morning. Alright, so today is gonna be a good day. The weather is cooperating. My prayers have been answered. It's a cool day. I don't know what temperature it is. It's supposed to be like in the 60s, I think, all day. Like lower 60s, I'm pretty sure. And it's also supposed to be breezy and windy all day, which also means there's not going to be a lot of bugs. So for me, that's perfect. And I actually have my sleeves down. So yeah, it's really comfortable right now. Thank God. That humidity was really getting in my head. And it wasn't as much the humidity as it was having like no wind. The air was so still, and the bugs. So so anyways, this is gonna be great. Alright, so it's been pretty easy sailing all morning, or well, so far it's still morning until now. Let the fun begin. Well, they haven't really let up yet, so I wonder if this is the horrible rocky area that everybody was talking about. This is going to be really weird coming from me, but I don't think it's that bad. I don't know. It's kind of fun. And there's been plenty of, I wouldn't say flat spots at your feet, but, you know, I'm not like really that worried about my footing most of the time, except for right where I am now. No, here we go. I got this. I don't know. It's just not as bad as I thought it would be. Of course, this might not be the area that people are talking about, but I have a feeling it is. So, yeah. This is crazy. It's like my jungle gym. I don't want this to last forever, but for now it is still fun. But one of my things I always say is it's fun until it's not fun. And that's true for just about everything on this trail.
Oh yeah, well, you're doing well.
There are two guys that just passed me, practically running through this stuff. I'm still trying to wrap my head around that. How do you... I don't know how you run through this. Like, I don't think I can process fast enough just where my footing is supposed to go, much less, like, I don't know. I think my head just blew up. That was crazy. Yeah, this is really kind of fun. It's definitely slowing me down, but for the first, let's see, first 2 hours I did like 3 miles an hour. Definitely not doing that now, but I think I can still average like 2 miles an hour, maybe. We'll see. Here's another rough section, and these rocks don't have a lot of flat surface. Well, they do, but they're like angled, and you can't really put your foot on them flat. So I'm gonna put my phone away and tackle this beast. So I'm vlogging. Do you want to say hi? It's Muzzy. I just stepped over those and looked around and realized that that is not the trail. Usually when you have something like this, it might mean the trail doesn't go this way. So every one of those is a no. So it's like no, 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 no. And if that's not enough, there's actually a sign, which there never is. And I still almost went past it. Whoopsie. is awesome. So I think my favorite parts of Pennsylvania are the southern end and the northern end. The middle kind of bored me a little bit, but the southern end, it was really cool to like walk in and out of farmlands and in and out of towns, and the scenery was constantly changing and it just kept things interesting. And then kind of the same with the northern end. You know, you get all the fun bouldering and rock scrambling, but just enough dose that it's not too much. Definitely something I don't want to do a lot of, but yeah, I don't know, it's been kind of fun, and but that could totally get old. And then and now this, I don't know, I like when the trail switches things up some, but otherwise I get really bored and like down in the dumps, I don't know. So yay! I'm currently sitting at an air conditioning place, parking lot, waiting on my ride to pick me up. I'm going to Bert's restaurant. Might be a steakhouse. I think that's how they answered the phone, which would be awesome. Yeah, I'm just chilling. Oh, Scars is there. I booked my spot and she said, oh, we heard about you. Scars was hoping you would be here. So I'm excited to run into him again. I said, what would happen if you spin really fast? Not what I thought would happen.
It doesn't fly out. It's not like a skirt.
So this makes me think of the movie Elf, which is one of my favorite movies. Francisco. Francisco. Just left Country Harvest, and if you go there and you're a hiker, you get a free orange or an apple. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm right outside of the hostel that I'm going to give you a tour of. I don't know when, but sometime. And I'm hanging out with Wolfpack. Hey, yo. And she said there's another Wolfpack that she's trying to find. And I said, yeah, get him, knock him out. There can only be one. So anyway, she's the Wolfpack, okay? Don't get it twisted. Anyways.
I will find you, Wolfpack.
She will find you. Yeah, so we're just kind of going through our resupplies, rebagging, repackaging stuff, whatever. I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, this is dinner. I got leftover ramen noodles. Okay, so the store had rice or Nor sides that I've never seen before. I was really excited, so I had to get something different. The white cheddar queso and the steak fajita. What? I mean, get in my belly. And then I really wanted to pack out lunch meat, and this was the cheapest. So I don't know if it's going to be good, but we will see. I'll eat that probably the first day or two. And then different flavored tunas, so I can add that to the rice, or I could just wrap that in a tortilla by itself if I want to stop and have a proper lunch, which I usually don't. When I was hanging out with Sprinkles and Finger Food, they would do tuna with fajitas, but I want to do maybe tuna and Cheetos, if it comes to that. I don't know anyways. So these are my snacks and what I'm gonna eat throughout the day. So like day 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this is just other stuff. I probably won't take both those gummies. I'll eat one before I leave tomorrow. And then for breakfast, I got Pop-Tarts. And these containers are perfect for making sure that they don't get all crumbly. When I first started with Pop-Tarts, they got all crumbly and I just couldn't eat them. So that's my solution, because I like to spread peanut butter or whatever on top. So this time I got Nutella and a cherry pie for breakfast one day because it looked delicious. And that sucker has 400 calories. That's amazing. So that's it. Oh, I like to pack out a banana too if I can. Yeah, that's all. 4 days. Hey, I just got real fancy.
Cheers!
Cheers! Scars had some bourbon and I'm gonna drink it out of a fancy quart. He goes, "You want some bourbon?" I said, "I am from Louisville, Kentucky," so yes. This is where the laundry is, and we're all gonna go out and eat together. But they said, "Pee-wee, you have to change out the laundry." And so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you the dungeon where the laundry is. They say it's done, but I don't think it is. Ah! But we'll see. It is done. They're right. I'm wrong. Ow. Stay. Okay, the lid doesn't stay. Okay, so this is where we eat and sleep. And I just met Butterbear. Whoop whoop. That's me. And Wolfpack. And I don't know where Scar. Oh,
there's Scars.
Touching his butt. What are you doing, Scars? We're having a family dinner. Oh. Yeah, we.
Fancy place.
Okay.
Caramel sundae.
Okay,
Yes,
this is what I
please.
ended up getting. What is it called?
What?
What do I have?
Big Haddock.
Yeah, what she said. It's really good though.
But it tastes like crab.
It kind of tastes like crab. Not crap. Crab.
At least it tastes. It doesn't taste like crap. At least that's good.
Look how cute these sundaes are though. Ooh. What?
What? Coconut cream.
Coconut cream? Butterbear, where you going?
Yeah. Is this where I pay my bill? You'll see. It's the counter there.
Yeah, go to the counter.
There's
right here. There's a thing in the doorway.
No, you're okay.
You got it.
Believe me, it'll roll over a thing. She gonna pay her bill. She wants to pay her bill.
Hey.
Slide the burrow through you guys out and we'll let you in it.
Exactly. Come on back.
Okay.
And I stuck up for you.
Come on back. Come on back.
You can come back.